All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Quick read here. Hey, look, people, it's time for some quick cash. Do you want to get rich quick or do you want to get rich slow? How about getting quick? Okay, it's better than getting rich quick than slow. Okay, and we're talking about the $1,000 quick cash flyer or postcard, people. Earn $1,000 daily. Hey, before you get started, click on that subscribe button right now. Okay, and also click on the notification bell where you get all my important updates and it help us with the algorithm. Okay, now you could go to www.allyourmoney.net. That's www.allyourmoney.net, or you could go to cashcowprogram.com, cashcowprogram.com, and you see all our flyers and postcards that we have there. All you simply have to do is click on one, print it out, and mail it in. But this is a hot new one, so you have to call me 346 704 1754. That's 346 704 1754. Okay, if you don't get me, leave your name and the phone number and the best time to call you back and tell me you want that quick cash flyer. Okay, and I'll get it to you as soon as possible. But again, you can just simply download it. Now, what you're going to get is you're going to get 500 stamps with that. 500 stamps. Okay, you're going to get 500 leads. These are name, addresses, and cell phone number of people ready and willing to get started with you in business. Okay, look, people address change, but their cell number and their email address most likely don't change. So we're going to get them from every angle, people, and these hot new leads that I have are working and we're making a killing. Look, you do not have to market online. Okay, I say about 90% of the people that's in business, they are not marketing online as far as YouTube or Facebook or anything like that. Okay, they're using the mail and they're using my mailbox cash money marketing kit that you're gonna get when you get started. People, this marketing kit is gonna have where you get your discounts on your stamp. It's gonna have where I get my flyers made. This is a beautiful flyer. Look how beautiful this flyer is, people. Can you imagine that coming in the mail in nice, glossy, pretty paper and everything? Is gonna make you look really good and professional. Okay, all right. Also, my personalized envelopes that I have, that you'll be getting those envelopes as well. Okay, and the my lead source. Okay, and there are other lead sources that you can use that work, but you don't get emails and phone numbers with those other lead sources. Okay, but they work too. Some people don't like calling. You don't have to. And here's the thing, people, this is the good thing. You don't have to wait 3 or 4 weeks for someone to send you a package in the mail. But guess what? I email everything to you. The marketing kit, okay, is gonna come to you. The leads are gonna come to you. The only thing that I'll be sending is the stamps. That's the only thing you're gonna get in the mail. And guess what? I have plenty of them. I have plenty of them, and I'm gonna show you how you can do the same thing. Now, this is what happens when someone gets started from your personalized flyer. Okay, let's say 5 people get started. They're gonna send you $1,000 and 5 books of stamps. That's what they're gonna send to you. They're gonna send you $1,000 and 5 books of stamps. Okay, all right. If 10 people get started, that's what they're gonna send. 5 people, that's $5,000. 10 people sending you $1,000, that's $10,000. People, was that day, that week, or that month. Your name gonna go right here in box number 1. Okay, that's where your name go. All right. So, what are you waiting for? If you're tired of being tired, if you got more days of the week left than money in your pocket, You want to get started with this particular flyer, people, because it pays $1,000 a pop. It's easier to get rich when you're getting $1,000 at a time. All right. Now, what I'll be sending on your behalf when people get started with you, okay, I'm going to send them 500 full data leads. Okay, I'm going to send them $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. Now, you can't lose with the coupons that you choose. And what you're doing is you're selecting coupons that you want for items you know that you use. Okay, I'm going to send the 500 stamps on your behalf. All right, I'm going to send them $1,000 in fast food restaurant like Wendy's, Denny's, IHOP's, Olive Garden, Red Lobster, Ponderosa Steakhouse, Quiznos, Taco Bell, a whole lot of great places. Also, what you're going to get is a 3-day, 2-night mini vacation. You select the place that you want to go to. We're taking care of the hotel accommodation. And again, that mailbox cash money marketing kit. Don't forget, give me a call, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. Hey, leave me your name, your number, and the best time to call you back and just say, I want the quick cash 1,000, and we will have a conversation. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Go to cashcowprogram.com or allyourmoney.net. Give me a call. Number here again, 346-704-1754. Look at this flyer, people. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And guess what? It's ready to work for you. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. God bless.